So next we're discussing about the topic is vision of light. Vision of light. See, let us consider. Let us consider. This is the found in considering a water. This is the total is considered the found inside. What is there here? The total is the water. This is the water. Now this total we consider water. Now this water of the depth or height is constrained by the h. Water of the depth or height, how much is there? We consider the h. Okay, h is the this is the depth or height of a water. Now we are considering here the one fish. What is considered? The fish is constrained by the bottom of a this found or lake of a water. Now here is there the fish. Now this fish can be looked into the upward direction. Look at means that is nothing but the sea into the upward direction. When it is sea, but how many positions are there? The other two positions are the formed at the upper surface. This is the first one, and it will be the second one. Now observe, it's just like of a what we can form by the cone can be formed by the so this is the cone can be formed by the. Now here, see when you have the meter the two positions we can draw the normal. The two position we can draw the normal. See that is the angle of incidency. What is this? Angle of incidence is considered the I, and here also angle of incidence is considered the I, and here this point we consider the O. What is considered this? O is the point we consider the exactly the perpendicularly we can draw the one line. This is the line. This is the line we can draw by that. Now this point, this is the point we consider the A, and this radius of this cone, we consider the small r, and this point we consider B. What is considered this point is the B we are considering by that. Now we can write the fish. Fish can see. See the fish here is there. You can see. Okay, outward only. So which direction can be seen? The outward only in circular. So which is there? It can be form of in circular. Okay, because of total internal reflection. So which can be formed by due to one total internal reflection. Now here the h is equal to what is there here? The depth or height of this water, or is the radius. Let us consider from triangle. So what is the triangle is taken by the OAB. Now what we can find out? We can find out this critical angle. What we can find this critical angle of a cone and this radius of a cone we can find. So that's why the using of from triangle OAB. This is the taken by the triangle. In triangle we can apply the which is the formula can apply by the other tan theta. What we can apply by the other tan theta. Tan theta we can apply by the. Now the tan theta is nothing but what is the principle is there? Opposite by adjacent side. Now opposite is nothing but r, adjacent is nothing but this height will be equal to the depth. The both are will be same. We can have the r by h. But here this angle is equal to critical angle. Now that means theta is equal to what we can write here the C. Then we can write here the tan C. Okay, tan C is equal to R by H. Then we can write this radius R is equal to H into tan C. This is considered the equation number 1. The C is nothing but to critical angle. Now we can find out that value. That value can from also the according to critical angle. The what is the formula taken by the critical angle? According to the critical angle. What is the formula for the critical angle? Sin C Sin C is equal to 1 by nu. Sin C is equal to how much is there? 1 by nu. Now here check, this is the triangle. This is the triangle. But the sine, what is the principle for the sine? Opposite by adjacent side. See, this is the angle we are considering. By the opposite is the 1 and hypotenuse how much is the nu. Then similarly we can find this another half a side. Another half a side we can find out. See which of the formula can using by the other Pythagoras rule. Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. See, this is the side square, 1 whole square, and this is the another side. We can write the side square is equal to hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to nu square. Nu square. Now it is taken this side. The side square whole square is equal to nu square minus 1, and this side is equal to under root of nu square minus 1. And now this side is equal to how much other value is there? Under root of nu square minus 1. Nu square minus 1. This side is equal to how much other value is there? Under root of nu square minus 1. The using this triangle, we can find out the tan theta using this diagram figure. Okay, what we can find out the tan C. Now the tan C is equal, what is the principle for the tan C? Opposite by adjacent side. See, opposite is the 1, adjacent side over under root of nu square minus 1. This is considered the equation number 2. Now substitute equation 2 in equation number 1. Equation 2 we can substitute on equation number 1. Then we can write the R is equal to H into tan C. Tan C is equal to how much is it? 1 by under root of nu square minus 1. That is equal to H by under root of nu square minus 1. See, this is this radius of a circle or cone. Circular cone. That is R is equal to H by under root of nu square minus 1. So next we can find out this area of circle. What we can find out? The area of circle. So what is the formula for the area of circle? The A is equal to pi r square. Area of circle, what is the formula? A is equal to pi r square. Then we can write this A is equal to pi into r. R is equal to how much is it? H by under root of nu square minus 1 whole square. Nu square minus 1 whole square. Then we can write here the pi into h square by the square and root gets cancelled, nu square minus 1. See, this is the area of circle. A is equal to pi into h square by nu minus 1.